At Above Metzgerei, Tubman Street, später Nachmittag. Yep. Ja, ne? So. Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Ich freue mich, man merkt's. Wir sind gerade im Laden von der Bloody Mary. Und wir müssen jetzt halt rausfinden, wo zur Hölle der geschuckte Mann ist. Und dafür gucken wir uns ein bisschen um. Zuallererst mal brauche ich was Kaltes zu trinken, ne? Tja. Okay. Bier haben sie schon mal nicht, ne? Noch ein bisschen umgucken hier. Also, ein paar Brezel oder was? Please ring the bell. I love New York City. Ich ring nicht the bell. The cut above. Butcher Shop. Also Päckchen. Thekeklappe. Ich guck mal, was in der Auslage leid, ne? Was haben wir dann Feines? Gefrorenes Fleisch. Warum ist das gefroren?
Not very appetizing.
Das stimmt.
Frozen solid.
Ja, aber echt,
I wanna
hey.
eat this.
Ja, aber echt, hey. Wartemarken.
Empty.
Aha.
Either he's got a whole lot of customers, or he doesn't have any.
Sieht nicht aus, als hätte er viel. Okay. Was gibt's dann Feines zu essen?
I don't see these cuts anywhere in here.
Oh, shit. Es ist zu früh.
Bigby Wolf?
Ja. Guten Tag.
What happened to you?
I'm looking for a piece of the magic mirror.
What?
The magic mirror's missing shard. Where is it? Bloody Mary brought it here, didn't she?
What? Bloody Mary? Magic mirror shard? What kind of place do you think this is?
Don't bullshit me.
I'm not. What you're looking for, I think you'd be better
Er weiß
off
aber
looking
grundsätzlich
at
Bescheid, von was ich
the
rede,
Lucky
ne?
Pond.
Und wo man da noch
Yeah,
guckt.
or someplace like that. You know where it is, right? It's around the corner.
Ja,
and a few
ja, ja,
blocks
ich guck mal der
down.
Lade
I'm
an.
gonna take a look around. You don't mind.
Sheriff, Did you
Ja,
hear that?
was?
What?
Oh, I'm real sorry. Hold on. I just gotta go check
Die
on
Sau,
that.
was hat er da
Don't go
gedrückt?
anywhere. I'll be right back.
Butcher?
I just have to go see.
Umgucke, Knopf angucke. Aha. Ohne Ende mit.
Shit.
Okay.
I got it covered back here, Sheriff. I'll be right out.
Aha.
Just wait out front. I'll be right there.
Okay, I've had enough of this shit, Johann. Come on out.
Just wait in the front. I'll be right out. I'm sorry, Sheriff, but you're not supposed to be back here for safety purposes.
Hygienische Gründe heißt es. Hat kein Kopftuch auf. Unwahrscheinlich hat er ziemlich viel hoher.
Just give me the magic mirror shard and I'll leave you alone. And you can go back to whatever it is you're doing here.
Der kommt jetzt bestimmt gleich von hinten und haut mal irgendwie auf die Map oder so.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They're gonna kill me. Oh God, she is gonna fucking kill me.
Was will er dann verstecken?
She's
Hallöchen.
gonna get me killed. Huh?
How you doing?
Please, Bigby. Please don't.
Bigby, what happened to Sheriff?
Please don't kill me, Sheriff. I don't want to die. Please don't kill me. Please don't
Der hat eh schon genug
You don't
Schiss, ne?
talk, I
Aber
might have to do just that. Is that what you want, Johann?
No, please. You don't have to do that. I'm dead. Either way. They said to me, Johann, you can keep your life and lose your shop, or lose both. What would you do? It was a simple choice to make in the moment. Easy, even when they got you on a hook in the deep freeze.
They? Do you mean Mary? Bloody Mary?
This isn't my shop anymore. That crew took it from me a long time ago.
Crew?
Fuck. The Crooked Man's people. Jersey Devil, D and Dumb, and that mental case Bloody Mary. You want to talk about the real butcher? It's her, not me. This is her place. I'm telling you, they muscled in on me, took over my storage and delivery a long time ago. All cause of that heat wave. That summer was even hotter than this one. Oh, I let Mary and those porkers stay cool in the meat locker one day, playing cards, having a great time. I guess they were sizing the place up. Shows what I get for being nice. I'm just a victim in this. I don't know what they do back there. I swear. And I don't want to know.
Well, we're
Ey,
about to see
ich
what's
glaube ihm
back
eigentlich
there.
sogar, ne?
And then we'll see if I believe you.
Aber
I knew this would happen. Didn't know when. But there would be the... Shh.
nichts zu hören. Okay. Wenn ich eine Weile aufmache und werde gleich wieder abgeknallt. Dann setzt aber was. Streng dich an, Junge. Oh, hoffentlich reiße die Hose nicht. Hopp. Ah, okay. Was ist das hier? Schnapsbrennerei oder was? Wollt ihr mich veräppeln? Chong of Dock? Was? Irgendwas mit Beast? Run? Ah. Black Forest Soul, Swine Snout, Nose Bleed, was war das? Kette?
What
zur
is this
Hölle?
place?
I told you, Big P. I don't know. They muscled me out. I swear, I don't know anything more. I haven't been back here when it was like this.
Warning lights.
It's business. It's all I've ever had.
These lights, Johann. Did you warn them I was here?
I had to.
Okay, er ist ehrlich, ne?
Come in here making trouble for me. But you only give a shit now because the Crooked Man stepped on your toes or something. Where were you when they took this place from me? It hasn't been easy for me. You think I want to live with this at my back? I needed help.
All right, Johann. Do me a favor. Just shut the fuck up and stay out of the way. Can you manage that?
Okay.
So
Die
this
kenn
is
ich.
what Beast was delivering. Glamours, other kinds of magic. Could be dangerous stuff.
Maybe just don't touch anything back here, please?
Didn't I tell you to sit down and shut up?
So. Da ist eine Tafel. Päckchen betrachte. Chemielabor. Fesseln. Erstmal auf die Tafel gucken. Aber da steht halt nichts mehr drauf. Vielleicht kann man auch noch ein bisschen was erkennen irgendwie. Das ist eine ziemlich groß, die Tafel, ne?
Too bad they had time to erase it all. This could have been useful.
So gehen wir gleich hin. Ne? Erstmal hier mal gucken, was da in der Päckchen ist.
That symbol. It's on all the packages. What is it?
Ist das ein
That's
Kompass?
the Crooked Man's
Dönse?
brand. It's on everything that goes in and out of here.
So you do know something, huh? Is that a wheel or what?
Guess they never used that thing on wolves, huh?
What's that supposed to mean?
It's from back in the homelands. A torture device. It came over here with the rest of our stories. Not that Mondays need any help coming up with that kind of thing. It makes people crooked. By breaking their bones and... Do I really need to explain this?
Deshalb Crooked Man. Also nicht, also so schätze ich mal, nicht weil er selber gebrochene Knochen hat, sondern weil er der ist, der die Knochen brecht. Was ist denn das? Destillierapparat. Okay. So geht's ab da drin, hä? Party.
Chains. Who's getting chained up here?
You can't think I'm the only one the Crooked Man has under his yoke.
Is this what those loans get you? That crooked piece of shit. Ribbons, chains, it's all the fucking same.
Mysteriöse Gläser.
These are raw materials for making magic. Auntie Greenleaf and any other rogue witches out there probably get their supplies here.
Gibt's Naseblut in Gläser? Ah, nicht schlecht. So, haben wir jetzt halt alles gesehen? Ich weiß gar nicht. Nein, das da noch nicht. Das Chemielabor noch angucken.
What are they making here?
Naja,
I'm just a
Glimmer.
butcher. You want to talk T-bones? That I can do. This stuff is out of my league.
There are a lot of nasty spells you can
Buchstabe
make with the
drauf.
right equipment.
A, W, Q, was weiß ich was. Okay.
What the hell is that?
Hä? Ein Mandel oder so?
I know this isn't your coat.
Ist
What's
der
it
von
doing here?
Beauty oder was?
It's a coat. What's the big deal about some dirty...
Looks like Crane's
Ach so.
seen some abuse. I'm sure he
shit.
handled it just fine.
Tasche, Tasche. Ja, die Unerschnemme, oder?
No time
Geld.
for traveler's checks, huh?
Geil, bin eh ein bisschen knapp bei Kasse. Immer
You won't be
mitnehmen.
needing this.
Kann man immer gebrauchen. Ja, okay. Ey, ich tue das so nur konfisziere. Ich gebe das so der Allgemeinheit zurück. Quasi.
That sick piece of...
Das ist das Dale. Ah, ach komm, es ist der Crane, der.
A shard.
Ah,
It's
ja.
the shard.
Da ist sie.
Finally.
Ich würde aber gerne noch gucken, was hinter der Tafel war. Da habe ich mich noch nicht umgeguckt. Lass mich noch hinter die Tafel gucken.
real happy you found what you're looking for, Bigby. But what about
Kann ich froh sein, dass ich dich am Leben lasse.
what
Will
the
ich ein
hell
bisschen
am I
Geld haben?
supposed to do now? I'm gonna have to spend the rest of my short life looking over my shoulder for Bloody Mary.
You won't have to worry, Johann. I'm gonna take him down.
Thank you. Thank you, Sheriff.
Geschlossen. Okay. So, Fabletown Verwaltungsbüro, das Woodland-Gebäude.
I don't care who killed the prostitutes. If Crane was helping himself to the community coffers, it means his hand was in my pocket, and you just let him go!
I don't know what you heard, but it didn't happen like that.
Are you denying the facts?
She's denying me the chance to get a word in. Now, Miss White,
Sheriff Bigby has returned.
Ah, there's the old wrecking bowl himself.
Bigby, where have you been?
I'm not finished here, Miss White.
You will have to wait. Just one moment, please.
Look what I found.
Oh, looky, looky. Die letzte
Your
Scherbe.
dog wants a biscuit.
Alter.
Buffkin, get this piece in the mirror right away.
Könnte ich ja selber machen. Ich hab's in der Hand. Aber okay. Vorsicht, Vorsicht.
Finally, things are swinging back in the right direction. Good work, Bigby. You've been gone all day. What did you uncover? I thought you were going to report back to me. I mean, it's fine.
I had to get real persuasive with the Jersey Devil down at the Lucky Pawn, but he told me that the Crooked Man's door, wherever it is he hangs his hat, it moves. It's some kind of magic door.
Do you think the mirror will be able to find the door once it's fixed?
Ja, jetzt
That's how
mach doch das
Crane
Ding
did
da
it.
hin.
That's how we're gonna do it.
Excellent work. Really.
Sheriff, I could use your assistance. Would you join me at the mirror?
Okay, was ist denn das Problem? Er kann doch fliehen. Also, ja, er ist Clay, aber er kann doch
Don't
einfach
go far,
hochfliehen.
Sheriff. I'd like to have a few words of my own with you.
Unbelievable.
Why don't you go fuck off until I'm good and ready?
I don't understand. This piece just doesn't want to join the rest. Do you have any idea why?
Did he murder the
Got me.
Not
Wie
necessarily.
jetzt?
Well,
Ist das
where
ein
did you
anderes
find
Stück
it?
oder was?
What has it gone through since being separated from the rest? Shattering is a very traumatic experience, you know. So this process can be a little touchy.
stupid reptile?
Helps that I have a good working relationship with the mirror. And I don't mind speaking in
It's
rhyme.
not a good time.
Found it in Crane's coat. Last person I saw with Crane or his coat was that psycho Bloody Mary. Maybe Maybe she had
Ah,
some...
yes, Miss White was asking about her. That explains it. You know who and the mirror have a very unhappy history with each other. How would you like it if she tried to use you as a doorway?
I think I already know the feeling.
Well, I think I know how to proceed now. It will just take a little extra coaxing, that's all. Thank you for your help.
We've got enough problems.
It could be a while,
Okay.
Sheriff. I'll find you when it's ready.
Okay, die Bloody Mary kommt ja dauernd aus Spichel raus. Deshalb hat er vielleicht sein Shep verändert, damit er nicht zusammengesetzt
He
werden
doesn't like
kann.
being spied on.
Funde Bloody Mary,
If you ask me, you're everything to
damit
Is
die
it
ihn nicht
fixed?
wieder
Did you
benutzen
ask
kann.
about the Crooked
Oder
Man?
so.
Buffkin's still working on it. He said it might be a while.
Whitman, I take it. If you're so self-reliant, what do you want from the business office so bad?
What I want is my business. I paid
I can't take those two right now. We're trying to catch a murderer, and they're over there bickering about bureaucracy. We're at war. Don't they realize that?
You're always in here mucking about.
what's
Do
good
you
for me.
need some help over there?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, ich
Those
soll
have
sie
to
beide
tell.
rausschmeißen.
But just so you know, we can't pay him.
Oh shit, ich hab mir doch zu ihr
He
geschickt.
really needs to go to the farm, you know. So just break the news and be done with it.
Ach
okay?
du Scheiße.
On that bloody glamour. I only came in to see.
Toad, come here.
I thought I made
Ist
myself.
doch kein Hündchen.
I see how it is. Passed off to an underling, eh? Why am I not surprised? Well, you did cause what damage brings me in here, so maybe it's for the best. Just need a little bit of dosh to cover it. I tried talking to her about it, but it's like chatting up a brick wall, it is. Now, I'm sure you've got your own agenda, Sheriff, but I've taken a real wallet because of you.
Hey, I tried to give you money back at the Lucky Pawn, but you wouldn't take it.
I was just being polite. Ever
Yeah.
heard of it? That wouldn't have covered the cab ride home, let alone a
Du weißt doch gar nicht, wie viel Geld ich kann hab.
Please, I'm not looking for any more than to cover the big ticket damages. Not a cent more. I'm not looking for a handout. Just what's right. I need it, Big B. TJ's been through so much in the past few days. Big B, I just need a little cash. Not even the whole lot of it right now. Just enough to get me glamours.
Sorry, ich war
This
gerade
isn't
zu
exactly a
langsam.
new problem with you,
Oh doch, ich war doch nicht zu
You know
langsam.
that if you're out of glamour, I gotta send you to the farm.
Well, how about your friend the pig? Is he going to the farm too?
Er geht immer wieder zu der Farm.
What we didn't know about him, huh? A worst-kept secret in Fabletown. For a friend, the rules will bend.
Ja, aber er rennt nicht auf der Straße rum. Und selbst wenn er auf der Straße rumrennt, dann ist es ein Schwein, was auf der Straße rumrennt. Und nicht ein laufender anthropomorpher Frosch.
If you give me one more chance and hear me out, I'll see a way for me and me boy to stay. I'm not gonna ask for any more than I need. I just want to stay. So what do you say you just give me enough to cover me glamours and we'll call the rest a wash?
Hey, ich mag ihn ja eigentlich sehr. Vor allen Dingen mag ich seinen Sohn, ne?
TJ from the only homie knows.
Ja, jetzt kommt er natürlich mit seinem Sohn.
Rules. Oppressive. I've done nothing wrong but look different. You know it's not right.
Look, you were unglamored 3 days ago. And you're still unglamored now. I can't ignore that. But you go to the farm, things cool down here a bit. Maybe you can come back at some point. Best I can do.
What a crock of shite. The government buy the fables for the fables, my arse.
Sorry. Ja,
Bluebeard, you want to talk? Now's your chance.
I've just made my donation funding this office, so direct your questions to Miss White.
Well, at least he's not trying to get rid of me.
He's not?
For now. Did you take care of Toad? I mean, I saw the way he left. I know it may not seem that important right now, but glamours are the law for a very good reason. You know that as well as
ich kann nicht sagen, dass es
I
kein
did.
Problem sein
He'll
wird.
be gone tomorrow.
Ne?
Him and TJ.
It may not have felt good, but it was the right thing to do. You know that. I know I should be asking how it got like this, but I just keep wondering why it happened. To Faith and Lily. You've seen his world. Do you have any idea why he'd want them dead? I don't know if the Crooked Man killed them with his own hand or if it was one of his goons.
I don't know. But when I catch the fucker who did this, I'll find out why.
Sheriff, Miss White! I believe the mirror is repaired.
Okay.
I have to say, I have been better. but thanks for putting me back together.
I'm sorry, I have to know. Mirror, mirror, we're glad you weren't slain. Now please show us that sick creep Crane.
Schöner Reim.
Snow, I know you've got your reasons, but he's not our top concern right now.
You will get on that plane to Paris, and you will wait for the day the Crooked Man needs you. Until then, not a peep. Otherwise, I get to deal with you my way. So please, please disobey. Wait a minute. Someone's watching.
Oh oh. Alter.
What just happened?
We pointed
kann
you
man
in
sie
the
keine
wrong
kaputt
direction
machen.
and looked at Bloody Mary's reflection.
Oh, her. That explains the sting. I'd rather not have to feel the pain she brings. So, let's not do that again, okay?
Looks like we'll have to track him down later.
You're right. We need to focus on the immediate threat, and that's the Crooked Man. Bigby, we don't have a lot of time.
Alter, ich bin kein
Poetry
Dichter.
isn't
Ich
part of my job
muss mal erst hier
I
guter
haven't been
Spruch
feeling
überlegen.
well of late. Seems neither of us can cooperate.
Alter. No.
Perhaps I can be of assistance?
Ja, bitte.
Mirror, mirror, keep us sane. Show the door to Crooked Man's domain.
I can always count on you, Buffkin.
Hat's schnell gereimt.
I don't recognize the door, but that's the
Ja
Crooked
klar,
Man
ist
symbol.
super. Als Symbol habe ich schon dieses... Und weg ist es. Das kenne ich. Das ist beim
Door.
Paddington Pie, oder?
It moves.
What'd I tell you?
Wait a minute. I know that door.
That's Central,
Central Park. Okay.
I don't know when it's gonna move again, but I'm gonna get there before it does.
Bigby, wait. When you get the Crooked Man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial. This
Vor
can't be
Gericht.
like it was with Tweedledum. I don't care if it gets out of hand. You don't let it come to that. I know that emotions can run high, and you have your reasons to handle this a certain way.
I can't
Sorry,
make
aber-
that promise. This could turn sour, just depending on how the wind blows. I have to be able to handle it how I see fit.
If people are
Ich
going to
weiß,
have
dass sie mal
faith in
Chefin
the
ist,
Fabletown
aber-
government again, we need to be fair. Show them that we're doing things the right
Ah.
way. I have enough to worry about here while I prepare the case against him. So I'm going to trust you to handle this properly. That is, if you think you're ready.
Of course,
Selbst
I'm
wenn wir
ready.
den Crooked-Man
I got
finden
no
und
other
töten, ne,
choice.
dann tun wir halt einfach eine Regierung aufbauen, oder sei es mal Regierung, ne, vor der halt alle Angst haben. Mit Angst kannst du gut regieren, ja, aber mit Respekt wäre es natürlich besser. Die Gothic Bridge, Central Park 94. Straße. Okay. Da ist er. Ich sehe die Tür. Okay. Guck, wir gehen hin. Na, wir gucken erst mal.
That's it, all right.
So. Klopfen. Ne, erstmal Drahtdappe, oder? Auf mit dir. Ende mit. Und weg. Irgendwie so mehr das Gefühl, dass der wollte, dass man eine finde. Wer ist das?
Tim, what
Alter!
the hell are you doing
Er ist der
here?
Crooked
Good
Man,
evening,
oder?
Sheriff. I'm here to take you to the boss.
Nicht?
Thanks, by the way, for leaving off Tiny. I have to admit, when they asked me to watch the door, I wasn't sure what to expect when you came through that portal. But I get it. You're not here on a social call.
Hold on. You've just been waiting for me to show up? You knew I was coming?
Ja klar.
That's what they told me.
Das ist doch genau das,
I
was
don't
ich
know,
gerade
they
gesagt
said you
habe.
made it pretty clear. I'm supposed to bring you right on in, so if you'll come this way. Look, this is the one thing I have to do. Please don't make this hard on me.
All
Abkommen.
right, let's get this over with. Come on.
That's all I want, Sheriff.
Ist Tiny Tim, Entschuldigung, Tim, ist er der Crooked Man? Also jetzt
Thanks for
abgesehen, ne?
understanding. This is all I'm here to do, and I don't want to mess it up.
Ich habe bisher nur seine Hand
I know
gesehen.
I'm probably the last person you'd expect to be a guard, or an escort for that matter.
Tim,
Ey, sorry,
how can
aber
you be
du
working
steckst
here?
doch mit
You
drin.
know who this guy is, don't you?
He's not as bad as you think. He doesn't treat me like some broken little kid. I think he gets what it's like. He gave me a job, and I'm lucky to have it. This is the only option I've got. Just keep that in mind, maybe? Because if you and the boss go up against each other, the rest of Fabletown is gonna get caught in the middle.
I understand the position you're in, but you don't have to do this. There are other things you could do.
Ja,
So
was
it's
zum
just that
Beispiel?
easy.
Maybe not, but you don't want to be a part of this.
A lot of us depend on him. Some of us never get to the front of the line at the business office. But he's there. We need you, but we need him too. What we don't need is a war. Hey, Sheriff, hold up. I gotta go in with you. Can't you just wait up, Sheriff?
I don't have time for this.
God bless us, everyone.
Am I some kind of a fucking joke to you? What did I tell you, eh? Stop laughing at me. Oh yeah? Mate, I ain't scared.
Öffne, klopfe oder trete. Ich geh mal. Mittelweg.
Bloody hell! This fucking guy!
Ja, this fucking guy. Okay, dann ist Tim wohl nicht der Crooked Man. Alter, was bist du für einer? Bist du einer von den Daltons oder was?
You know, Tim would have been happy to have let you in.
I'm so sorry, sir. He wouldn't
It's
wait.
all right, Tim. I shouldn't have expected the sheriff to give you respect enough to do your job. But you did fine. You can go now. You see, everyone in Fabletown has a role to fill. You just have to pay attention to what they need to help them find it. Why don't you have a seat, Sheriff? We have a great deal to discuss.
Erstmal in die Haare. Erstmal ein bisschen zeigen, dass mir es gerade mal scheißegal ist. Okay. Genau so hätte ich es auch gemacht. Das nächste Mal bei The Wolf
I've
Among
heard
Us.
stories about you. In the old days, how you picked off those men one by one. Oh, how they screamed. The wolf is coming. And they would wait, hiding anywhere they could squeeze their pathetic, shivering corpses. Some would just drop to their knees where they stood, close their eyes, and wait for death. And you'd give it to them. I wish I could have seen it. Oh well.
Uff. Okay. Spielerentscheidungen. Hast du Colin zur Farm geschickt? Du und 85,5% der Spieler haben Colin nicht zur Farm geschickt. Warum? Colin ist ein cooler Dude. Hast du versucht, Nerisas Band zu entfernen? Du und 63,8% der Spieler haben nicht versucht, das Band zu entfernen. Warum? Es war klar, dass mit dem Band, ne? Welchen Laden des krummen Manns hast du zuerst untersucht? Du und 36,8% der Spieler sind zuerst zum Lucky Pawn gegangen. Okay, das war doch aber offensichtlich. Okay. Hast du Toad zur Farm geschickt? Du und 24,1% der Spieler haben Toad zur Farm geschickt. Ey, das Ding mit der Farm ist, du hörst halt immer nur, sie sollen es so eigentlich gut haben und sie sind doch nicht im Knast, sie können sich frei bewegen und sowas, aber sie dürfen die Farm nicht verlassen. Also ist es eine Art geschlossener Vollzug. Wie nennt man das dann? Keine Ahnung, so irgendwie. Aber, ey, welche, wann die Fables, also die Inwohner halt, wann die lieber einen Haufen Kohle davor bezahlen, um in irgend so eine runtergekommene Kackbaracke in den Slums von New York zu wohnen oder sowas, anstatt dahin zu gehen, wo es so angeblich besser sein soll, dann muss das halt wirklich ziemlich scheiße sein. Und das nicht nur, weil drumherum ein Zaun ist. Ja. Wie hast du dem krummen Mann geantwortet, hoppala? Du und 43,7% der Spieler haben sich eine Zigarette angezündet. Ja, ich habe das eigentlich gemacht so als ich bin halt einfach respektlos und tu jetzt erstmal dahin qualmen. Kann man natürlich auch deuten als, okay, ich muss jetzt erstmal meine Nerven beruhigen. Egal. So, komm mal runter da. Besuchen Sie die offizielle The Wolf Among Us Community-Seiten. Ja, super. Okay. Ihr Leid, auf geht's zum Endspurt. In der nächsten Folge geht die letzte Episode von Wolf Among Us los. Episode 5. Und dann kriegen wir hoffentlich raus, was los ist. Ich hoffe so, dass es nicht in einem Cliffhanger endet. Ich weiß es nicht. Ich weiß, dass eine zweite Staffel angekündigt worden ist von Wolf Among Us. Dann ist so Telltale, ja, der Bachruntergang. Aber es ist ein neuer Trailer rausgekommen. Also es ist, naja, nachdem es Telltale so eigentlich nicht mehr gibt hat. Also das alte irgendwie sowas. Jetzt mal abwarten. Mal abwarten, was das gibt. Aller gut, bis dahin, ne? So wie immer. Jetzt kommt gleich noch die Märchenbuchfolge zu der Folge jetzt hier. Ich glaube, wir haben sau viel freigeschaltet. Wir dürften, glaube ich, alles freigeschaltet haben, glaube ich, jetzt von der 4. Episode. Zumindest habe ich das mal angezeigt, gekriegt in Steam. Wer Interesse daran hat, noch ein bisschen über die Hintergründe zu erfahren, guck eigentlich die Märchenbuchfolge, die Märchenbuchfolge zu der Folge hier. Wer kein Interesse daran hat, ja, Pech, muss schon nicht. Aber schalte trotzdem morgen in, wenn wir dann die letzte Episode starten. Allerhaupt dann. Bis morgen. Schlag sehr viel leid. Sorry, dass ich euch jetzt nicht labe, aber ich habe fast vergessen, eigentlich noch der Abspann noch hinten dran zu knallen. Warum ich das mache? Keine Ahnung. Komm, ich laber einfach noch ein bisschen, ich hab grad Bock drauf. Ja, das ist scheinbar, so sieht's mal zumindest aus, immer dasselbe Abspann. Aber da das halt so schön Episode aufgebaut ist, ey, ich finde, es gehört halt einfach dazu, dann überspringt's halt, ist okay, großes Ding, ne? Ich habe halt nur gerade weil schon die Verabschiedung gemacht und hier den Fade-Out gemacht und so. Und dann das Knäppchen gedrückt und dann so, fuck. Ich glaube, fuck darf ich sagen. Muckefuck. Kenner, das ist der Instant-Kaffee da. Egal. Wo wir gerade der Muckefuchs sind, da steht. Ja, keine Ahnung, gehört halt irgendwie dazu. Labern wir noch ein bisschen drüber. Ja, kann das sein, dass bei ihm im Office, im Büro immer 3 Uhr ist? Ist die Uhr stehen geblieben oder was? Das ist aber komisch, dass die auf 3 Uhr stehen geblieben ist. Naja, das ist schon seltsam. Meistens bleiben sie irgendwo unten stehen, so auf Ahnung. 20 noch 7 oder sowas. Keine Ahnung, also ohne so. Ja, so. Keine Ahnung, ich glaube, ich könnte jetzt sagen, hey, warte mal, hast du das schon mal gesehen? Ich hab das schon ewig nicht mehr angeguckt. Ich schlafe einfach mal weiter da hin. Keine Ahnung. Es wird da jetzt keine interessante Weisheit von mir kommen. Also von daher, passt schon. Okay, ihr Leid, ohne Scheiß jetzt, ich bin so gespannt, wie es in der 5. Staffel, wie sich das jetzt alles auflöst. Ob der Bela B., ich meine, der Crooked Man, hey, sorry, aber der hat ein bisschen ausgesehen wie der Bela. Also der Bela B., so wie er aktuell aussieht. Hey, der gute Mann hat ein paar Jährchen auf dem Buckel, der darf ruhig so aussehen, ne? So schlimm sah er jetzt auch nicht aus, ne? Wie jetzt der Crooked Man, aber hier, ne? Hat was, also. Ja, hopp, tschüss.